When your best friends all strung out, you do everything you can, cause you're never gonna let it get you. Find it all around. Yeah, you say it's what you need.
What's up, it's Aberrant, and today we will be unboxing the Razer Goliath mouse pad, which is probably one of the most high quality mouse pads that Razer do, because they actually just don't even do that many. Very cheap. A lot of esports players used to use this, so I'm looking a bit in the future. There's a little sneak peek. I'll also be doing this. This is a capture device which I made a mistake on. I made a big mistake. It was quite pricey and it only does Xbox 360 and PS3. I use Xbox One. You even know how frustrating this is. But I'll unbox it and see if I can try do any mechanics to it. If I can get this to work for the Xbox One. Hopefully reversing the USB. That might work. Anyway, let's get into it. Starting off with the Razer Goliath mousepad. It's really easy to open, literally plop it open. Don't like the box, that's a weird noise. And oh, voila. Nothing else inside the box, so let's put this to the side if it will stay to it. And this is what it looks like, which is actually a really cool design. It's got like bubbles on it, as you can see yourself, and it does not light up or any of that cool stuff, and it's not sticky, which is really good. It's fabric. The reason I'm saying this is if you are using sticky mouse pads, if you want to move your mouse pad, you're in a bit of a sticky situation. Oh my god, I was really at that. Anyway, you're in a bit of a situation because the stickiness will run out and it just flops. It literally just like this. It just won't work. Okay, but this is what it looks like. Razer design, and it's actually, for a small mouse pad, it's quite decently big. I mean, I rate it, but there you go. And this is meant to be super speedy. You can hear that, that's the sort of fabric we're using. And it's easy to just generally roll up. So in other words, this could be portable as well. So even more for what you're getting.